Hey, TNT Moto here. All right, so we're out at Popka Motor Park. We've got the 500 out here. We got the CR250 out here. Got to run it through one more heat cycle, and then should be ready for her half an hour quarter throttle out on the track. I've also got my 125 over there. I'm gonna try and figure out what's going on with the bottom end on that. I'm not sure if it's a power valve issue or if it's a carburetor issue. So this will be the last time on the 500. I've got quite a few interested buyers for it, and I need to get the money out of it for the next CR125 project for next year. Start ordering up parts so I can get a bit of a head start on that one. All right, so time to take the 500 out for the last run for me ever. All right, and then she gets sold.
Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took. Sweet, spicy.
All right, well, that's the first ride on the 500 for today. It's running really well. It's hard to open it up on the track, so you don't know what it's like above a half throttle because you just can't get there. But everywhere up to a half throttle, she's running just perfect. Smell a bit of the paint starting to burn in. Uh-oh. We lost a bolt. Well, gonna have to get that on. Well, that's what happens when you own a CR500. She literally vibrates to pieces unless you keep an eye on it. Since this is the final ride on the 500, I'm not gonna go crazy out there. Don't want to hurt myself. Last time ever on the bike. Final ride. man, that was fun. This 500 is a blast. Never have to worry about power. It's always right there if you need it. That's gonna wrap her up. I might take the 125 out one last time. Oh, and I am spent. Whew. Wow. Well, that was a blast for the final ride. Now it's time for somebody else to get to enjoy it. I am totally out of energy. Gonna have to get into shape over the winter. I meant to do it last year, it didn't happen. Whew. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for the day out here at Popcom Motor Park. I was going to take the 125 out one more time, but I'm done. Last round on the 500 just took it right out of me. I could start to feel difficulty breathing, getting winded, and the smoke out here is just unbelievable. So it's already hard to breathe. The bike is probably going to be sold within a week. I got somebody that's been hounding me over and over to set up a date to view it, and he's telling me he's got the $4,000 ready to go, tie downs and his truck. So I'm thinking that over the next couple of days, the 500 is going to be gone. So I want to thank everybody for coming and watching my channel. I want to thank everybody for leaving positive comments. Please share with your friends, subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll catch you next video.
Got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Could look at you all day, watch the way them hips sway. Love your body, so I pray, don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say, lost my mind cause of rain. Hey girl, what's
listen to that
just like the flame. Body emotion, I feel the commotion. We got you like lotion, I'm honestly broken. I'm low like the ocean, I feel you were chosen.
He's running beautiful.
Hey, stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Ain't to see my name, the chemistry feels like it's destiny. I just want you laying next to me, and I'm
oh my God, that power in that bike is incredible.
Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb.